Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of, how to blur out a background in Photoshop. So just to make it so it's just like you can see this guy clearly, but just the background's going to be completely blurred. So the first thing you're going to want to do is duplicate this layer. Okay. Sorry, then you're going to want to choose the pen tool and just go along it like this, how I'm doing here. I'm just going to do it slightly rough just because for the video's purpose. But yeah, I just got to go along like this, just making sure you don't mess it up, kind of. Okay guys, I'm just about to be done. Okay, so now we've got that, all we have to do, make selection, then layer mask, hide. So now once that's hidden, oh, what happened there? Oh, don't know what happened there. Sorry, yeah, layer mask, hide section. Then it's just that, okay. Okay, now you're just gonna wanna just get rid of any excess thing. You probably won't have it, or maybe you will, who knows. Just get rid of this, make selection, and just get rid of that. Okay, so you just gonna wanna go here, then go here, then just go to filter gallery. Oh, sorry, no, filter, then just blur. No. Filter. Okay guys, it was just a simple problem I figured out. Just go filter, blur, field blur, and now it should look like this. Slow it down because here obviously you can see like the so just lower it a bit. Okay, so yeah, you've got a nice blur and everything. Looks nice. Okay. Just wait for that loads. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.